Let's get to meteorologist Rosemary Roscoe watching conditions right now. I understand the winds have tamed down maybe a little bit from where they were about an hour ago.
Yeah, the winds tend to lie down a little bit during the overnight hours, but they are expected to pick back up, and the winds are still gusting quite strong in some areas. The update here on the fire, the temperature right now is 60 degrees out there. The relative humidity 63%. So again, during the overnight hours, our relative humidity tends to come up, but will drop again into the afternoon. And the winds right now in that area reported sustained at 21 miles per hour, but the gusts could be reaching closer to 40 miles per hour at times. And as we take a look at some of the winds in the area, I'm seeing anywhere from 25 to 35 mile per hour winds still at this time. Checking in on areas near Corral Hollow. Again, we talked about the winds at 21 there, but these are sustained winds. 26 miles per hour reported to the north and to the east of that. The west is coming in, or the wind coming in from the west, and as we know, the wind plays a huge factor in how the fire is going to behave. Not only does it create additional fires, it could, of course, fan the flames and just pushes that fire that much further. It's going to be another warm day out there. Temperatures are expected to reach into the 80s with, again, periods of wind gusts reaching 30 to 40 miles per hour all the way until about Monday evening into Tuesday. So firefighters will definitely have another day of those gusty conditions. Back to you.